welcome to Win-Win Live. I am Jessica Bailey, Assistant Content Director from Telecom Review Group. AI-empowered communication is uprooting the way China's society functions. New calling has evolved to encompass AI calling, setting a standard for the further development of communication services. But what's behind two of the most important communication paradigms, AI and new calling, and how are compounding levels of intelligence achieving ubiquitous communication? We have two esteemed guests joining us today, and they will help us answer these radical questions by sharing their experiences and perspectives on AI-empowered new calling. Let's welcome Wei Chenguang, Chair of GSMA 5G New Calling Task Force and Deputy General Manager of China Mobile Research Institute, and George Gao, President of Huawei Cloud Core Network Product Line. I'd like to begin by acknowledging that China Mobile has emerged as a pioneer in AI-empowered communication services, having achieved vast success in leading communication services innovation. Ms. Wei, could you please share the important achievements China Mobile has made in the AI communication field?
Yes, thank you for the question. China Mobile has comprehensively implemented the AI plan, which leverages high-level AI technological innovation and high-quality AI applications to build a new leading-edge international information service system. China Mobile has created the Lingxi agent, which covers a wide range of scenarios, including office work, learning, healthcare, security, living, entertainment, and communication, and has fully empowered the intelligent transformation of various kinds of services. In the context of communication, Lingxi agent can evolve into a communication assistant for users, offering a range of services across government, finance, tourism, and other domains to meet users' daily life and work needs. Currently, Lingxi agent has been widely applied in services such as new calling, 5G message, mobile service hall application, and mobile customer service hotline. In the field of AI plus communication, new calling is a flagship service for China Mobile, which is built on the foundation of traditional voice and video call services, and deeply integrated cutting-edge AI technologies to provide intelligent and innovative call services to users. In 2024, China Mobile accelerated the launch of new call businesses, including 6 AI assistant new calling intelligent applications, and completed the first call for new calling in Hong Kong, China, which made us the first operator in the world to go live launch the new calling service. Currently, the number of users of China Mobile's new calling intelligent applications has surpassed 50 million, indicating that new calling have officially entered the phase of large-scale promotion.
This large-scale promotion is also evident at Huawei, where we've noticed that the company has been actively promoting the development of new calling and showcasing a wide range of new calling services at its booth. However, to truly dissect this development, it's important to take a look at the fundamental foundation. So, Mr. Gao, could you share how Huawei's global practices and approach to new calling and the key factors contributing to its sustainable growth in China?
Thank you. New calling is a cornerstone of 5G advanced service intelligence. With strong support from the industry ecosystem, particularly through China Mobile's benchmark demonstrations, new calling has evolved from national deployment to global adoption. In regions such as the Middle East, Latin America, and Asia Pacific, Huawei has worked closely with leading local operators to commercialize new calling services. These include simultaneous interpretation features and visualized voice calling services used in enterprise call centers, delivering more efficient and personalized communication experiences. And the GSMA New Calling Foundry organization is also vigorously promoting its development globally, driving new calling to thrive worldwide. All of these clearly demonstrate New Calling's broad global market potential. In China, the current main task of New Calling industry is to further scale service to reach more users, making New Calling a fundamental service in the 5G advanced and AI era, available to every user and evolving from being interesting to practical. Based on existing services like visualized voice calling and phone calling, we are promoting New Calling data channel interactive services for wider adoption. With Android phones supporting data channel in June this year, we are quickly promoting New Calling to integrate with large user-scale customer service centers such as China Mobile, Alipay, JD Finance hotlines, etc. When New Calling users connect to customer services, they can see real-time guidance on screens and receive interactive feedback while hearing the customer service voice, which will greatly improve business processing efficiency. For support on Harmony terminals, joint R&D is underway, with plans to fully launch it within this year, truly making New Calling joyful, useful, and scalable. With emotional and practical value, we will seize and strengthen operators' business entry points and boost communication efficiency. Thank you.
New Calling's role in enterprise applications is particularly intriguing, which is why the New Calling Cross AI Challenge has garnered the attention of the global industry. Ms. Wei, as the pioneer incubator of New Calling, could you please share the specific details of China Mobile's participation in this challenge?
Yes, the New Calling AI Challenge is the first international competition in New Calling. The challenge solicited innovative application cases from around the world, aiming to accelerate the in-depth integration of New Calling and AI technology, and give birth to calling services with far-reaching influence and outstanding, so as to inject new motivation into the services development for global telecommunications. According to GSMA statistics, the challenge received nearly 100 submissions from 16 universities and 58 companies worldwide, reflecting the global industry's enthusiasm for innovation in the integration of New Calling and AI technology. As the pioneer incubator of New Calling, China Mobile actively participated in the challenge with over 40 submissions, spanning a wide range of 2B, 2C, and other innovative application scenarios, such as an interactive New Calling intelligent customer service system based on DC, which upgrades the customer service experience of China Mobile's 10086 hotline, as well as the development of digital helmets that utilize AI scenarios to provide users with more convenient intelligent calling services, facilitating auxiliary communication and information retrieval. We believe that these works will provide valuable inspiration for New Calling business innovation and drive the development of the communication industry towards intelligence and personalization. Thank you.
It's remarkable how, when faced with the digital transformation challenge, intelligence and personalization have emerged victorious. The next logical step is ensuring that innovative communication achieves mainstream adoption. Mr. Gao, perhaps you could help us further navigate this challenge. Yes, another challenge, but I think we're close to solving the broader puzzle, as Huawei has launched its AI calling solution. Could you explain how Huawei is helping operators evolve from New Calling to AI calling, and how this supports the development of AI service entries?
Well, the deeper integration of 5G advanced and AI is bringing more opportunities to telecom industry. As AI reshapes industries, operators are using AI to revive their services also. While being mobile traffic carriers, operators can leverage AI to converge networks with services for more value. calls are the perfect canvas for this AI transformation. AI calling is the natural next step for the new calling as AI evolves from large models to the agents. It gives each user a call assistant that can handle complex tasks in one call, like an automated network agent that closes loops. To make this happen, networks need to understand words, emotions, and intentions, use memory to plan, and work with other agents, tools to get things done. AI calling keeps new callings mission to reinvent the dev pipe, creating new scenarios and open application ecosystem. The goal is one number, one application, one user, one assistant, making it the AI entry point for telecom services. Thank you.
Agreed. Operators can indeed capitalize on the opportunities presented by AI. However, utilizing an open application ecosystem to do so can be fragmented. In light of this, Ms. Wei, can you please explain how China Mobile is developing standards to build a closed-loop ecosystem for new calling? Once the standardization is achieved, what steps will China Mobile take to drive the development of its communication services in the future?
Thank you for the question. China Mobile places high emphasis on the establishment of new calling standards and the building of an industrial ecosystem. Within multiple domestic and international standard organizations, including 3GPP, GSMA, and CSA, China Mobile has led the development of over 20 international and industry standard projects, and through the formation of standardized frameworks of new calling service needs, network capabilities, terminals, and testing. Moreover, at the GSMA Board of Directors, China Mobile led the establishment of the 5G New Calling Task Force, which attracted the participation of multiple global renowned operators, terminal manufacturers, and application providers. China Mobile has organized new calling roundtable conferences on behalf of global operators to promote the development of new calling industries and standards, foster the industry dialogue, shared best practices, and driven the construction of a global new calling industrial ecosystem. Looking ahead, China Mobile will fully launch the AI Plus plan, upgrade comprehensively the two new types of new information infrastructure and new information service systems, and deeply execute empowerment of AI on communication services. At the same time, we will explore new scenarios to drive the innovative evaluation of immersive communication, strengthen the research on cutting-edge technologies such as glasses-free 3D, holography, and multi-scenario interaction, and leverage these advancements, expand communication modes, and elevate business value.
When referring to core network solutions, I like to think of them as a human skeleton from which the mobile AI era can be built. Huawei's AI core network solution has garnered significant attention due to its role as the intelligent backbone of next-generation communication. Mr. Gao, could you elaborate on the relationship between the AI core network and AI calling?
The core network serves as the center of both communications networks and the services. Our understanding of the evolution from cloud core network to AI core network consists of two stages. The stage one is powered by AI. Overlay AI network elements on existing core networks for AI-driven services, transformations. Voice services are upgraded to new calling or AI calling through intelligent overlay. Data traffic services are upgraded to differential experience operation via real-time perception of users, services, and experience enabled by network large model elements. Network operation and maintenance advances toward L4 autonomous network, driving with copilot and agent technologies. Stage 2. AI native. The core network is fully built with a new agentic architecture to support interconnection and collaboration among trillions of agents in the future, evolve from pre-configured networks to understanding generative networks, providing dynamic generation support for diverse intelligent services. Upgrade transparent switching to multimodal fusion switching for text, voice, video, etc. Achieve extreme high stability, intelligence, and simplicity through native digital twin networks. AI calling, i.e. the intelligence of voice services, is the core component of the AI core network solution, and also one of the most critical business objectives for AI-driven core network transformation. Whether in the powered by AI or AI native stage, the goal of the AI core network is to support operators to master AI service entry points, achieve network service convergence, and create new business value for end users. Thank you.
Together, we've undertaken a virtual pilgrimage, exploring how AI and new calling, when combined, can bolster communication to achieve sustainable growth across China. It's clear that new calling has evolved from national deployment to global adoption. As China pioneers the AI-powered new calling revolution, the Middle East will harness these paradigm-shifting innovations to fuel its own intelligent communication journey, further achieving national visions such as Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 and the UAE's AI Strategy 2031. Huawei's expansion of new calling services into the Middle East, including real-time Arabic-English translation and AI-driven enterprise contact centers, illustrates the region's readiness for future-facing communication models. Similarly, China Mobile's participation in the New Calling AI Challenge further supports the international approach, extending to the Middle East as well. You've both showcased that experimentation, standardization, and a fundamental foundation will remain critical in this pursuit of this endeavor. Thank you for joining us here at Win-Win Live. See you next time.